Hey there peeps, Mew Mew here, and have you gone a little crazy on Amazon before? Because I have. And that kind of happened recently for Amazon Prime Day. If you don't know what Amazon Prime Day is, the day that Amazon tries to do a lot of sales to try to boom their business, and 2018 was good for them on my pocket at least. I know they were making about over $1 million per minute. It was insane the amount of things that, you know, people bought, and I'm no exception. So we're just gonna go through all the random things that I bought. They don't have any, I don't think they make very much sense and reason why I bought them sometimes. But we're gonna go look at them and we're just gonna go through all of them. Let me know in the comments below, did you buy any of these same items? Or did you go a little crazy and buy something really random? I mean, I will rephrase that I almost bought a bird bath. I don't have a bird bath. I didn't buy the bird bath. Or did I? Dun dun dun. Okay, so the first thing that I bought, literally the first thing that I bought was this. Yes. This is a butler tray. So it's one of those serving trays. It's a bamboo serving tray, and you know, this is first world problems here, because in my living room I have a little table, and usually when we have dinner we go there, and then we're like doing several trips with food. So I really wanted a little bamboo tray so we could actually take our food with us, you know, if we're trying to carry several different things. But it's actually kind of sturdy, you know, bamboo tray. Nothing to write home about, literally. Okay, another item that was on sale and I really liked was this cute little dress. I've actually bought dresses before on Amazon, which sounds like a totally weird thing, and actually this dress goes very well with these ears. I bought this dress, and it's very shiny. I'm trying to lift it up. I bought this dress. It's very shiny. It is kind of a skater type dress. It has all these little sparkly stuff, but I don't have a sparkly dress in this color. It's rose gold. It's very cute. I can't wait to try, wear this and try it out. Definitely have to try it out. Something that's good about Amazon is after you try things out, if you don't like them, you can return them. If you didn't think you could return things to Amazon, now you know. Return things to Amazon. Next thing I got, which I need to put on my Nintendo Switch, this is a case, a cover. So you can, something with the Nintendo Switches, don't use those plastic covers, the ones that that are just skins that you know, put on and peel onto your Switch. The reasoning why is that after, you know, some time, that does actually mess with the actual material of the controller. So just know, be careful, but this will actually be used to replace the back cover and the controller covers. And it's this little transparent purple. It's very cute, was on sale, and it'll make my Switch look even cuter because I have the neon. I mean, it's already pretty cute. Guys, let me show you my cute little Switch. Cute little Switch here. It turned on. But yes, cute little Switch, but imagine it even cuter in all purple. Oh, and it's telling me that's downloading content. And yes, my Switch has little paw prints, because why wouldn't it? Okay, going forward, random thing number one. Well, not really random, just because, you know, homeowner and whatnot. I was like, is that my address? No, it isn't. It's just CPC. I bought a lot of light bulbs. Daylight. Daylight light bulbs are where it's at. These better be like the daylight. Did I mess up? Anyways, daylight light bulbs, they brighten your room very nicely because it is more white. Regular light bulbs are a little bit yellowish, and I really don't like that, especially with if you have cream color walls. Regular light bulbs just doesn't look good, but those light bulbs light up so beautifully. I still need to change all the light bulbs in my dining area. So here we come, and this is actually something for Gigas. Even Gigas got something out of Prime Day. So this is a laptop sleeve. Nothing very exciting here. It's just a laptop sleeve. I need to try it on Gigas to make sure Gigas fits in here. For those that don't know, Gigas is my laptop, my gaming laptop that I use for streaming and doing all the things. And it's rather large. It's a 17.3 MSI laptop, and I don't have a backpack that fits it, which actually brings us to the next item here. A backpack. I found a backpack that will supposedly fit Gigas. It is a purple backpack because, you know, purple me. And it is this random Tiguerno brand. I mean, I wasn't really looking for anything name brand, but it does expand. Oh, it scared me. It does expand out, it has a lot of pockets, and I really hope that it can fit my laptop, because the zippers do kind of come out very far. Let's see, does the case fit in it? I mean, the case fits in the laptop. I mean, yeah, I can pull it in a little bit. So this case that I bought for Gigas fits in here. So theoretically Gigas will fit in. I don't know though. We'll try that out, but not right now because Gigas is on the shelf here working. So we'll try that out at some point. Okay, other random things that I bought. Well, this is for something that we'll talk about later. Not Amazon related, but around Prime Day, I found out that Sephora has a Moschino brand. So, well, it has a Moschino collaboration, and it has this cute, Moschino has this cute bear, and you know, it says it's not a Moschino toy. It is very cute. I guess I threw it in one of these bags, so I guess I should talk about it. It is really cute. Unfortunately, I was not able to get all of the line. There was actually a compact mirror for this as well, but it was just a brown burr. And Danbear said that I'm a fancy kitty, so fancy kitty needs to get the gold one. So this is the Moschino with Sephora collaboration. It is very, very shiny. And this is actually the Moschino Bear highlighter. And I don't have it, you know, something to actually use with it. But, you know, here is the little compact. It is very cute. And yes, in it you can see my little light and my laptop. So, very cute. I'm gonna have to throw this in my bag. Hopefully it doesn't get scratched being in my bag. So that's the end of box one. Yes, there is more. But I think we're going at a really good pace, and you know, we gotta keep going. So some of the other things that I got, for this, some of y'all know that I've been trying to learn how to do calligraphy, and I found this cute little hand lettering set. It's from Prisma's Colors. It is a beginner set, has different types of pens. There's graphite pencils and different, you know, pen styles that you can use. I do have a brush set that I've been using, practicing the different letters. So I'm slowly making my way through the alphabet. I'm no pro, but it is something that I really want to learn how to do. So that's kind of one of mewmew's cycles. I bought Shein socks. I mean, these socks look really cute, and I have another set of Shein socks, but I don't know where they are. So hashtag issues. But look at these socks. Look at Shein cord. It's so cute. For those that know, I'm a kitty unicorn. I'm a kitty. Anyway. Next thing we have here is this box. It's kind of heavy actually. I don't know what it is. Oh, it is. Because mewmew wants to try to do different things for the channel. So that's actually kind of what inspired me in some of these things that I bought. And this is the Arteza oven bake clay. It's polymer clay. I've always wanted to learn how to do polymer clay little figures, and so I bought this thinking that I'm actually gonna go try it. It comes with the clay. There's also some utensils here on the side that I can use for forming things. I've never done it before, so I'll probably make a video just me trying to do different crafts, because that's gonna be a thing, because I really do like doing crafty things, but I don't always get to do them. This is also random, but I bought this. It is a little vanity stand. It has several little floors. It's in black. Actually, I thought I ordered the clear one, but oh no, it says clear. It says clear. So imagine this, but clear. I have a little vanity. It's kind of, it's really cute, but it's not actually a vanity per se. And I wanted this so I can layer, you know, different things that I have, just because I do love makeup. So this is really cool, and organize my little area because it does get a little crazy. The next thing we got here, kind of going with the random, you know, DIYs and, you know, things I want to be, you know, do for being crafty. I got this lip balm boutique, and it comes with 20 handcraft lip balms and 6 colorful pods. So I'm gonna be trying to do this. It's just little girls doing it, but hey, I want to try to do it too. So probably something that'll be coming up in the channel at some point, because I do really want to try it, you know, because I like doing that stuff. Oh, I guess I should have talked about this earlier, but another thing that I got for my vanity is this mirror. It was on sale. Oh my gosh. So it lights up apparently, and you know, goes on the side and all this stuff. So really cool. Really like that. Hopefully it's not broken. One of the really cool things that I got, and I probably make a kind of review video about it later on, is I got this HP sprocket, and this is something I had wanted for a while. So I won't open it so I can do it in a review, but I had really wanted one of these because it's one of those portable smartphone printers, and it prints pictures in a 2x3 format. This is something I really wanted. Actually, on Target I was able to get the paper on sale for like over 50% off during Prime Day, so that was kind of cool. But yes, this is so pretty, and yes, I did get the bluish to purple version, so I'm very happy. Another random stream improvement, the C9222X from Logitech was on sale for $40 instead of $90, which was incredible. So maybe we'll have Danbear cam, or maybe that'll enable me to do some of these DIY videos. I don't know, and maybe we'll get to do crafting on stream. I don't know, but we'll find out. And last but not least, I think this was the most expensive item that I bought, which also probably requires a review of it once I start using it, is this beautiful Razer Black Widow X Chroma gaming keyboard. Look at it, it's so pretty. And I really like that it's a silver color because my desk is black. So this will, you know, really bounce up. It has, oh my gosh, they've won me over already. They actually have these little things on the box with arrows. Supposedly I should be able to peel. And just, you know, oh my gosh, easily peeled off. I mean, I think it was meant to actually rip, but hey, it came off. That's all that matters. And it's just pretty. So it is a silver keyboard. I was kind of missing the number pad on my keyboard for a little bit, but I do have a multiple keyboard setup at the moment because I have, you know, my other PC, and I have my gaming laptop for streaming and all that jazz. So I'm always toggling between two keyboards. I have this random Logitech for the day job stuff, and I also have another keyboard that's connected to Giga's. So there's always this struggle, and sometimes I need a number pad, and I like that this one is silver, so it should bounce up from, you know, compared to all the black stuff that's on my desk, because currently my keyboard is black, the power for my microphone is black, the Elgato is black, the stand is black, you know, the Stream Deck is black, everything on it is very dark colors. So I'm really hoping that this will kind of add some, you know, pop of color to my desk, because it kind of all just blends in together, and I kind of want to make my desk a little cuter. But that was everything, all the random things that I bought from Amazon on Prime Day. Yes, it was all a little random and kind of scattered. It wasn't all just tech stuff. It wasn't all beauty or, you know, crafty things. But, you know, you did see that a lot of the things that I got are things that I want to bring to the channel. And I do want to eventually do a little bit more crafting stuff on stream, just because I'm very curious as to how to do things. And I'm not saying that I'm good at anything, particularly crafty, but I do enjoy trying. And I want to share my experiences trying different things with y'all, because maybe y'all enjoy it, or maybe you will learn with me. And that to me is the biggest thing. I want to share that with you, and hopefully, you know, we all just grow together, because this is a lot of fun. So let me know in the comments below, what is the randomest thing that you bought on Amazon recently? Doesn't have had to been on Amazon Prime Day, but what random thing did you buy? Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.